Hi, Dr. Bill here again. Welcome back to our discussion on the spine and particularly the disc. Now in the previous video we talked about the disc and explained it all, so I'm not going to do that now, refer you back to that. The thing that we want to talk about now is the causes of disc problems. Now until now virtually everybody that I know of thought it was all caused by mechanical problems. Lifestyle, the way you use your back, accidents, etc. Obviously hereditary factors play a role because that can determine whether or not you've got a weakness in your spine. Hereditary factors are only part of it. At the recent seminar that I went to by Professor and Dr. Joseph Schaefer, he revealed some interesting research which has shown that there are other causes of spinal problems or particular disc problems, and that is what we call metabolic or biochemical. And so what I'm going to talk about is those particular issues now. So you can see at the top of our sheet here we have all the infections that have gone through the lymphatic system via the throat. Now what do we mean by all infections? This could have been something that you've had even from as young as a baby, a virus or a bacteria that got into your system and has not been completely resolved or removed, and it's still in your system and it's still affecting the immune system. And what that does by affecting the immune system, it actually can create inflammation in different parts of the body. And so you can actually get a weakening of your disc due to an old infection that you may not even be aware is actually worrying you, but it's actually affecting your spine, in particular your disc. And so in order to prevent excessive degeneration in the disc or problems in the disc, then often to fix that you've got to look for all the infections in the body. Now that's not easy to do, but we have a Vega system that we use that is able to assess any stealth viruses or stealth bacteria or hidden viruses and bacteria in the body. And then it creates a homeopathic remedy to actually solve that problem. Now at the seminar, Dr. Schaefer actually used a different method using muscle testing to find out what particular homeopathic remedies the disc needed in order to take the degenerative effect out of the body that was affecting the disc. The other one is toxicity in the liver. Again, due to toxicity, that can actually have a bad effect on the disc too. So what all these factors mean is that they create an underlying weakness and an underlying tendency for degeneration in your discs. So then when you do something physical or mechanical, your discs are more easily aggravated. Then we have the immune system. Now many things affect the immune system, and so that's a very wide area. When the immune system is affected, again you can get inflammation, which is the next one down. Then we have the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is your drainage system of your body. It's your plumbing. It helps to drain every cell of the body. So if your lymphatics are sluggish, then you may not be getting the right movement of the lymphatic fluid from around the joints in your spine. And then of course we've got disc nutrition. The discs need to repair, and they need to certain things, nutritional things that they need to be able to function properly, such things as zinc and magnesium, just to name a couple. And so what we're doing now, of course, when we work with your spine and when we look to resolve your disc problems, we can also check to see if you have a biochemical or a metabolic component to that disc, which can make a big difference to the life of the disc and the future health of your spine and your patient. I hope that's helpful to you because it's new ground. Thank you.